This is the AirSoap. It's from PhoneSoap. It's an air purifier, and it's some new technology. We've known PhoneSoap. My wife loves them because they have these things that can clean the bacteria off your phone, and now they're moving into air purifiers. And so instead of having a filter that you need to replace, it uses high voltage to create an ionic field, and then basically all the stuff that you don't want in your air gets trapped on this. And then instead of replacing and going and buying a new filter every 6 months, or not replacing your filter and actually then damaging your air with bacteria that might be growing in your filter, you can actually take this out and stick it in your dishwasher and clean it. So with the AirSoap, you're going to be able to clean the air in a large size room, and then when you need to, you just wash this filter, put it back in, and you're good to go. So you're not buying new filters or skipping out on that and potentially putting more contaminants in your air. So this is a really cool option. That $300 price point is really tempting, and we really like the transition that we're seeing from keeping your phone and your other tech germ-free and moving into this air purification space. There'll be a link down in the description below where you can check out more, or you can look for AirSoap.